Road signs don't speak, but they save lives every single day. Most drivers guess this wrong, will you? A. Do not enter. B. Stop. C. Yield. Answer. B. Stop. A red octagon always means stop. It's the only sign with this shape. This one fools even experienced drivers. Can you spot it? A. U-turn. B. Circular junction. C. Roundabout. Answer C. Roundabout. This sign shows traffic moves in a circular direction at a roundabout. If you get this right, you're definitely alert. A. Two-way traffic. B. Merge. C. Divided highway ends. Answer A. Two-way traffic. Warns that you're entering a section where vehicles go in both directions. Only sharp minds can read this road warning. A. Winding road. B. Slippery when wet. C. Soft shoulder. Answer B. Slippery when wet. The wavy lines represent a vehicle skidding. Reduce speed on wet surfaces. Get this right and you know your highways. A. Divided highway ends. B. Divided highway begins. C. Four-lane road. Answer B. Divided highway begins. Shows a median will divide opposing traffic ahead. Can you spot the difference in pedestrian zones? A. Pedestrian zone. B. Playground. C. School zone. Answer C. School zone. This sign warns drivers that a school is nearby. Slow down. Pay attention. This one's common in rural areas. A. Animal farm ahead. B. Deer crossing. C. Forest warning. Answer B. Deer crossing. Alerts drivers to areas where deer may cross the road suddenly. Miss this and you might get hit. A. Signal ahead. B. Stop sign ahead. C. Crossroad. Answer A. Signal ahead. Warns drivers that a signal is ahead. Prepare to stop or go. Looks like a turn, but is it really a sharp turn? B. U-turn. C. Curve ahead. Answer A. Sharp turn. Indicates a tight turn. Slow down to safely make it. A deadly intersection if misunderstood. Can you name it? A. Roundabout. B. Crossroad. C. Central Railroad. Answer B. Crossroad. Indicates an intersection where traffic may cross from left or right. Quick reflexes required. What does this mean? A stop. B. Do not enter. C. No parking. Answer B. Do not enter. Clearly marks a road or area closed to traffic from your direction. If you know this, you're watching the road closely. A. Uneven road. B. Road under construction. C. Road narrows. Answer A. Uneven road. Indicates a bumpy or irregular road surface ahead. Not all turns are equal. Figure this one out. A. Railroad crossing. B. Bridge. C. Roundabout. Answer A. Railroad crossing. Shows you're approaching train tracks. Proceed with caution. This one's about road width. Are you paying attention? A lane ends. B. Road narrows. C. Slippery road. Answer B. Road narrows. Warns that the roadway ahead becomes narrower. Catch this curve or you'll miss the turn. A. Curve ahead. B. Merge. C. One way. Answer A. Curve ahead. Tells drivers to reduce speed for a safe curve. This one looks like a dead end, but is it? A. Roundabout. B. T intersection. C. Closed road. Answer B. T intersection. Indicates a T-shaped junction where you must turn left or right. If you panic here, you weren't ready. A. Y intersection. B. U-turn. C. Traffic circle. Answer A. Y intersection. The road splits into two. Stay alert and choose your path. B, sharp. This one looks harmless, but it's tricky. A, side road. B, merge. C, crossroad. Answer A, side road. Warns that a road joins from the side. Be cautious of entering traffic. Only confident drivers recognize this warning. A, side winds. B, fog area. C, no overtaking. Answer A, side winds. Strong crosswinds expected. Hold the wheel firmly. If you're not careful, this road could send you flying. A, a bump. B, uneven road. C, hilly area. Answer A, bump. A speed bump is ahead. Slow down to avoid damage. Think fast. This sign demands attention. A river crossing. B, quayside or riverbank. C, ferry zone. Answer B, quayside or riverbank. Warns you're near the edge of water. Risk of falling in. If you don't know this, you might hit something big. A, narrow tunnel. B, low clearance. C, height restriction. Answer C, height restriction. Alerts tall vehicles that a bridge or tunnel ahead has limited clearance. Sharp drivers know when the rules change, do you? A, divided highway begins. B, two-way traffic. C, divided highway ends. Answer C, divided highway ends. Warns that the median is ending. Watch for oncoming traffic. Speed plus curve equals danger. Identify this sign. A sharp turn. B, winding road. C, slippery when wet. Answer B, winding road. Several curves ahead. Drive with caution. It's not just a side road, it's more dangerous than you think. A, side road. B, merge. C, crossroad. Answer B, merge. Another lane merges into your path. Stay alert. This could end badly. What does it mean? A, loose chippings. B, rock slide area. C, falling rocks. Answer C, falling rocks. Indicates potential for rocks falling onto the road. Drive carefully. Not all intersections are equal. Figure this out. A, crossroad. B, staggered junction. C, side road. Answer B, staggered junction. Two side roads enter at different points, not a straight cross. If you mess this up, you'll hit incoming traffic. A, two-way traffic. B, dual carriageway. C, reversible lane. Answer A, two-way traffic. Expect traffic from both directions. Stay in your lane. This one looks harmless, but it's not. A, cold area. B, ice or packed snow. C, winter season. Answer B, ice or packed snow. Slippery conditions expected. Reduce speed. Ever seen this flying danger? Identify it. A, airport zone. B, helicopter landing. Commercial low-flying aircraft. Answer C, low-flying aircraft. Aircraft may fly close to the road.